Nick, thanks so much for having us here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Fox Mercantile?
So Fox Mercantile opened up 10 years ago in July. Started out of a opportunity, really. I used to build houses, went to buy work boots one day, drove all over Western North Carolina, either found good boots, bad service, or good service and bad boots. I was like, there's an opportunity, so here we are 10 years later.
So what would you say your favorite part about, being in a Franklin community with this store is?
The community. We've got really good support. I mean, from day one, everybody was very supportive, even other businesses. They gave me good input to help me get my feet off the ground.
So here in Franklin, obviously we were spared tremendously compared to the other areas, but we still were definitely affected. How did that affect y'all? And
Power, internet service, just gone. We didn't know what happened. I came to check on the store, make sure everything was okay, and Ace Hardware had Wi-Fi. So logged on, checking, see what's going on in the world, and I was like blown away. Thanking God that we were spared. But also, like, how can I help? I need to do something. And the entire community was like, we got to do something. Yeah. These are our neighbors, this is our family. So everybody just jumped in.
So after that, what kind of sparked the idea with the boots that you guys donated?
So we wanted to help and realized that, hey, there's like 5,000 people with tools and equipment. What can we do? Like, what's our specialty? Our idea was to help the first responders, supply them with boots, socks, whatever we could. So I reached out on social media and I was like, hey, we want to raise money to provide first responders with boots because they're falling apart. Like, they're still actively rescuing all these things and their footwear is destroyed. I want to say within 24 hours, we had raised almost $20,000.
Get out of here.
No, it was insane. Where we can take boots, we do have a couple lists, but it'll end up being close to 250 pairs of boots. And it was crazy because, I mean, you'd see grown men like start shedding a tear. They're like, I get a pair of Danner boots? Yeah, man, like, here you go. Like, is this the right size? Because we have 100 other pairs of boots. Like, make sure these fit you. We're like, really? Like, grown men crying.
That's
touching.
So what advice would you give to other businesses that are looking to help out, or just in general, what to do in times of crisis?
At this point, I think fall in line with organizations like WNC Strong, because that's like the coordinated effort. There's been such a lack of coordination that like you need somebody who has a plan. So once I realized that, hey, this is more than I can handle, and that's a lot of money to deal with. So make the donations to Discover Church, WNC Strong, a nonprofit. Don't donate to us anymore. Like, go to Discover Church or WNC Strong, somebody who's got the 501c3 stuff.
So what would you say WNC Strong is to you?
A really strong coordinated effort to rebuild communities with a good heart. That's probably the biggest thing, is like you have to find people with passion, lift them up, and that's what WNC Strong's doing. So WNC Strong, good job, guys. I don't even know how to put it into words.
So how can people find you?
www.foxmercantile.com. Google us, Fox Mercantile on Instagram. But yeah, foxmercantile.com, WNCstrong.com. Yeah, that's where to go.
Awesome. Well, hey, thank you so much
All right.
again for everything.
Thanks, Trevor.
Thank you.